Hey guys, so if you're watching this video, it's probably pretty likely that you're having some issues finding the Google Analytics tracking code. I myself was also having the same issue. It seems that they've updated it perhaps in 2021 and as they're kind of moving on to the more advanced or hopefully better tracking tag that they've recently released a couple of months ago. But in this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to find the actual tracking code even with this new update being implemented. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here real quick with you. So you're going to want to get into your Google Analytics account and pull up your admin, right? Get under the correct property in which you need to grab the tracking code for. So the old way, it used to be right underneath the property settings here. There was a tracking info section, which they've since removed, right? In some instances of Google Analytics, it kind of depends on the type of the account, it seems like. I've actually got a few analytics properties that are not actually e-commerce, that are still kind of the old version of Google Analytics that have the tracking info still displayed here. But for instance, this account right here, as you see, does not. So we're going to click on data streams, and it looks like I need to expand that a little bit. And once this loads here, there's a little tiny arrow that's a little bit difficult to see, and it's right here, right? So this is actually what we're looking for, because this is the property that we in fact want to kind of optimize or grab the tracking code for. So we click on that arrow on the right, and our site tag is right here. So you can go ahead and just copy that guy, and you are all good to go. So I hope that was pretty helpful for you guys. It took me a while to find this, and hopefully that was pretty quick and a good use of time watching this video. If you do have any issues, I'd love to get you taken care of. I do marketing for clients as well, so we can hook up your tracking and stuff and get that all situated if you're still having issues. My link is in the description here. So anyways, have an excellent rest of your day, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and let's make it a great 2021.